I'm Abraham De Rosario. I'm from Paque, Laguna, Philippines. Uh, I'm a warehouse person guy. I started working as an developer and became a warehouse checker as a contractual. Then after a year, I became regular employee and became warehouse person. Then after that, 2017, I was given opportunity to work in abroad in Saudi Arabia, and my work there is a storekeeper. As a storekeeper, my duty is to receive, to pack, and do inventories. So we assure also that our products is in good condition before we pack it and deliver. Then I I go home in the Philippines in 2022. Then I, I'm interested for this work as a data entry analyst because uh, I know that this is in-demand work. Then I can enhance my typing skills and know more uh, about data entry. Then my skills and experience that apart from others is I do not depend on my co-employees to have credits. I work it hard. So uh, it is good to have that perception that I can do on my own without any help with others, but and having the credits. That's all. Thank you.